Boomerang. Hi mga Ka-Lazada! I'm Niña.
And I'm Kai.
And here today on Ka-Lazada Tries, we're sharing with you our favorite Lazada fashion finds, which you can get on the 12/12 Grand Christmas Sale.
We'll be dressing up as our favorite cartoon characters, and I'm super excited. Are you ready, Niña?
I'm so ready. I'm so excited.
Let's do
Let's
it.
go! Okay, so mga Ka-Lazada, we'll choose 3 categories from here.
And whatever's gonna be written sa paper na we pick, that's gonna be the categories for our outfit challenge today.
And we will match a cartoon character with that category. Okay, so
Okay.
choose. You first, you first.
I'm wearing pink today, so I'm gonna be getting pink.
Ooh,
Okay. Day out is the
Day
first
out.
category. You
Okay.
pick next. Get the blue one.
Date night! Oh my God, I have an idea now.
Okay, let's see. Y2K. Okay, very interesting categories. Do you have ideas na,
Oh
Niña?
my gosh, I have an idea already. I'm so excited. Okay, so let's get started. Let's change into our first outfit.
Oh my God, I love your outfit. Who are you?
Okay, guess. Guess.
Is this water?
This is water.
Okay, is this
water.
Katara?
Oh my God, yes!
Okay, my turn.
Clue.
Tell me I'm pretty.
Oh my God, Trixie! Trixie! Oh my gosh, okay.
Okay, so my Trixie Tang inspired outfit is all from Lazada. My top, it's a pastel purple top. I love how lightweight it is and I love how comfortable it is. Kasi, syempre, when you have days out in the Philippines, you don't want it to be too hot. You want it to be breezy, and that's exactly what this top is.
Yeah, I love the texture nga eh.
Thank you, I
Oh my
picked
God.
it out.
Oh my God,
And
ang galing mo.
my skirt is from a local brand, also from Lazada. I love this so much because it's very versatile. You can wear it on dates, you can wear it on days out, you can wear it to the office even.
Yeah.
Super comfortable lang siya, and it's so easy to walk in it actually.
Yeah, it actually doesn't look too tight, no?
Yeah, usually kasi mga pencil skirts are very tight, hard to walk in, but I love this. Super comfortable.
The headband also.
Oh my
is
God,
so
okay.
cute.
This headband is available in like 14 to 15 colors.
Dami.
Sobrang dami. So whatever color you want, it's gonna be there, and it's super cheap. Very comfortable and very aesthetic for the preppy girl.
Okay, so this is all from Lazada. I chose these earrings and this bracelet.
I love the earrings.
They super remind me of the water drive. So this one super bagay talaga kay Katara. And I'm wearing this cardigan. Super sulit, guys. As in, the number one thing about this is that it's not itchy at all. And I think it's perfect if you just want to like add something to the outfit, right? And this top actually also,
I love it. It looks so nice.
dude, I'm so shocked because I was actually scared it wouldn't fit me, but it did. So I'm happy, and it actually also comes in like different colors, like more than 5 colors. And I super love these pants.
I love this. The print looks so nice quality.
Yeah, and it's pleated. Okay. My other fear as a 5'5", 65 kilogram, 33-inch waist girl, I have a hard time finding pants online, and I get really scared. But look, it's still pretty loose. Very true to the pictures, very true to the description when I bought it. Right?
But the shoes though.
Oh my God, yeah. Okay, these
Super
shoes.
love it. Parang casual, medyo tita vibes, right? If you wanna be a tita for dinner.
Oh my God, yeah. And it's so cute. It's ruffled and everything. And I just feel like Katara in this whole outfit.
I think the piece that best fits my character is the pastel purple top. Kasi usually, when you think of like mga girl na cartoon characters and naka-purple, usually think of Trixie Tang,
Yeah,
diba? 'Cause
actually.
palagi talaga siya naka-purple. How
Oh my
about
God.
you?
I think the piece that best represents Katara are these pants. Look,
I
as in
love
it's very
it.
flowy. It's pleated, so it looks like water. Look, it looks like it's perfect really to go on a day out, like if you're just running errands. Actually, look, as in, I just want to show that it's very, that, you know, you can move a lot. It's really perfect for if you want to be Katara, actually.
It looks super breezy and comfortable actually. Like, I
Yeah.
haven't worn it yet, but it looks like it.
Girl, you should try. You should get one.
Okay,
also.
I'll check out later.
Okay.
Around 12.
For 12 cells. Guess who we are?
We're twinning!
Okay, so Can you guess who we are?
Or should we give you a clue?
Clues! Okay.
I'm blue.
I'm Magenta. And oh my gosh, I love the dress. Yung
Thank
bagsak.
you. I
Ang
know,
ganda ng
it's
bagsak.
so nice. Like, it was super nice on the photo and it's even nicer in person.
Really?
I super love your outfits, giving very 2000s
Thank
vibes.
you. Wow, Y2K talaga to. Giving very Britney Spears but Blue's Clues.
Malahit me baby one more time. So my earrings, they're from Lazada. Silver hoops lang siya. And my oversized jacket is also from Lazada. I love how comfy this is. Usually kasi medyo mabigat talaga yung mga oversized jackets. But I love this. It's not too thick, but it's also not super thin. So you can really wear it sa Philippines without sweating too much. And I love this dress. I can wear this out talaga. Like, super comfy siya, very breezy.
I can't
love
explain,
it.
parang when there's light on it, it
Yeah,
shines.
I love it. That's what I love about it.
It's so cute. I don't
Super
know.
love glowing.
It's so pretty.
I
Okay.
love your jacket though.
Thank you. Oh my gosh. It's just a normal zipped up type of jacket. You know, it's a hoodie. So it's super comfy and perfect for when it's cold. But also, I super love the earrings.
I love the earrings.
Like, it gives
super
me very
magenta vibe.
magenta. Now Y2K. Like, the pom-poms are so cute. This bag is so cool because, okay, it has two straps. This gold strap, so it's a longer strap. And then you can actually put this gold strap inside so you can actually just use it na ganito. So, pwede, guys. And this skirt is also from Lazada. Guys, there's built-in shorts with this skirt. It's so cute. And these clogs are also from Lazada.
I super love your shoes. Like, I've been looking at them since kanina pa.
Yeah, it's so cute, right? Oh, and this bracelet also, oh my gosh, it's very pink and I love how it just matches with the whole outfit.
You can see na how nice her bracelet is. So if you guys want accessories, you can always go to Lazada. Sobrang dami and it's super cheap pa. Para pang forma for Instagram, when you go out, diba?
The best piece I think that represents Magenta in this outfit is definitely the skirt. I mean, it goes with being very pink and also very Y2K. And it also has built-in shorts. As in, guys, I don't get too scared wearing it.
Don't have to leave skirts in the 2000s kasi you can still wear skirts today.
Yes! How about you naman? Like, what's the piece that best represents blue here?
I think the best piece that represents blue here is definitely the dress. Kasi first of all, it's blue. And it's kind of like holographic in a way. So when, like what Niña said kanina, when light hits it, umiiba yung color niya. Very nice. Medyo like velvet vibes, but it's not velvet. The quality is also super nice. Like, I feel like this can last a while with me talaga. And it's very timeless nga eh. Like, I feel like I can wear this like a few years from now and it still look good.
Yeah.
So, love
well,
that.
Girl, you always look good.
Ako lang to!
I have a feeling, oh my god, I know who you are. I know.
Okay, guess mo nga.
Cruella de Vil. Oh my god, yeah.
Tama. Okay, who are you? Who are you?
Yes, I steal voices.
Ursula.
Oh my god, yes! Tama. Oh my god, sis. Tell me about your piece.
Okay, fit check. So, my necklace is from Lazada, syempre. I love it. It's so simple lang. You can actually wear this with anything. Like, you can wear it not lang sa date night. You can also wear it pag daytime, like with basic pieces. Or if you want to go glam, you can wear this. And my coat, I love how loose it is.
So-
Like, super,
ganda
super
na,
comfortable niya. Yeah. And my dress, I love it. It's very sexy. I love it. Very sexy. Okay, tell me about your outfit. I love your dress.
I was actually so shocked that it fit me because when I got it out of the package, it was so small. But it stretches and it fits.
Yeah,
I'm really so shocked.
It flatters you so well.
Oh my god. And also, look, you can make it off shoulder. Oh.
We love versatility.
And also we have, of course, like the rings, my anklet, and my shoes, also from Lazada.
Very
in
Little
purple.
Mermaid vibes nga eh.
One of the like highlights talaga, literal, of our outfits is our hair, diba? Because of the hairspray. The hairspray is from Lazada, guys.
Temporary lang yung hairspray. Super nice. If you just want to test it out, testing out the waters. Parang date night lang, diba? And I love it kasi as someone who's allergic nga to hair dye, I can finally try out different kinds of looks with this without having to fully commit.
I'm so
I love
excited
it.
for your looks. Oh my God.
Thank you. I love your hair nga eh. Like, show
Thank
it nga.
you.
It's purple, guys. Look at it.
The piece that best represents Ursula, definitely this dress. I mean, parang may tentacles ako with these sleeves. And also, sobrang versatile. I mean, look, pwede rin siyang off-shoulder. You see that? But whatever is comfortable for you, it's perfect for anything. You can dance, you can, under the sea.
And the quality niya looks really nice in person.
Yeah, as in the quality super good. As in, it's better than what I expected actually from what I saw in the picture. So, outfit for your date night?
Nasa Lazada yan. So that's it mga ka-Lazada. That concludes today's outfit challenge.
You can check out our Lazada fashion finds. Links are in the description down below. At kung naghanap kayo ng mga outfits for Christmas, nasa Lazada yan!
That's right. Add to cart now and check out on the 12/12 Grand Christmas Sale.
There are actually more great deals for you in 12/12. So guys, there is free shipping nationwide with no minimum spend. Oh my God.
Be sure to leave a comment down below and let us know which outfit you want to buy on 12/12.
Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more Lazada finds.
Thank you for joining us today mga ka-Lazada. Again, I'm Kai.
I'm Niña.
See you next time.
Bye!
Bye!
Lazada.